Hi, so today we're going to talk about our oral cavity. That would be the space inside of our mouth. What we want to do when we play the bassoon is have as open of a space as possible. So that means we've got to be able to control the tongue position, the space between our teeth, and the shape of our mouth and what our cheeks are doing. So first of all, we're going to talk about the tongue. Move your tongue around in your mouth. Just kind of wiggle it around in there. Just kind of learn how it moves. Now say ah. Now say eh, e, o, and oo. So each one of those has a different shape. So pause the video for a second and play around with doing those different shapes. Ah, eh, e, o, oo. Just get used to what they feel like. All right, now that you're back, let's put the tongue in the position we want it to be in. So I have 3 checkpoints that you're going to use. So the first checkpoint is the tip of the tongue needs to be aware of where the bottom teeth meet the gum. So your tongue is going to come forward in your mouth and just kind of be aware of it. You're going to kind of touch where the teeth and the gum meet. So go ahead and put the tip of your tongue there. It should feel very natural and relaxed. The second checkpoint is going to be the sides of your tongue touching the sides of your back molars. So the tongue will feel kind of like a lake with your teeth being the shore. So here's your teeth, here's your tongue. Okay, go ahead and play around with that and pause the video for a minute. Okay, so now that we've done checkpoint number 1 and checkpoint number 2, now we have to pay attention to the back of our tongue. This is the part of our tongue that we use to say k or g. So say those, and then you'll have an awareness of that part of the tongue. We want to make sure that that part of the tongue is soft and relaxed, kind of like melted chocolate in the back of the mouth. All right, now that we've learned all 3 checkpoints, let's put them together. Put the tip of your tongue forward in your mouth to where it is aware where the bottom teeth meet the gum. Let the sides of your tongue touch the sides of your back molars, and make sure the back of your tongue is relaxed, like melted chocolate. You will find that this feels like the ah sound that we made earlier, because that's essentially what you're making. So practice this and hold this position every time you play. So now that we've talked about the tongue position, let's talk about teeth width. We want the teeth to be roughly as far apart as your thumb is wide. So you can take your thumb, put it between your teeth, and figure out how far that is. Go ahead and pause the video while you try that. For right now, I want you to make the tongue go to its position, okay? And then we're going to open the teeth. And I want you to bring your lips into the middle, just like you're saying the word O. Okay, so O. And now we're going to blow some air. You're going to hold your lips there. And when you blow air, I want you to blow pretty strong. And you're going to feel your cheeks catch the air and kind of puff out a little bit. We don't want to billow like we're a chipmunk or something with our cheeks full. But we want the air to kind of fill the cheeks there. So watch this. You can see my cheeks puff out. If your cheeks are getting really big like this, that means your teeth are too close together and you need to open your teeth farther apart. So try it again. Here we go. Tongue is in the checkpoint. Teeth are where they're supposed to be. All right, and that is the space that we want to capture inside of our oral cavity. Okay, we're going to do some exercise in a separate video that work that out.